Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadian cisngi ke jengelang jong ke kenhun Menteri Haswar Tura. Menteri Rangba ke jela kondat ke sangma, ha ke singi ke babot pat kata, ha ke khatbai terek mentau benajil lew, arazar kat khandai. Ulale jurep ya ke jingtai ya ke multi utility indoor stadium kabaran hakasnong dal magre hajan kasnong tura hakani ke jingla jurep ya menteri rangba ke jela la senran langru da menteri sarkar bakmi ya ketnat sports and youth affairs ke jela uba bantai dor lingdo ringkat menteri sarkar bakmi ya ki kam korbari ke jela James PK Sangma bat ki officer jong ketnat sports and youth affairs Kajingla jurep kani ka kanhun jong sarkar ya kani ka jaka ya ka ya kani ka sngi kalong na kabanta ban petikna ban pendap ya kajingsna hasua usnam arhajar arpuar usnam ban pelong ya ka national games hakani ka jella hadin kajing jurep ya kani ka jaka ukondar ke sangma hakani ka ju sngi ula shong jelang ru bat ki khle nang sansar snong bat ki trajaka jong snong hakani ka thain na ka banta ban yo kajing trelang na ka banta ban snapan bhai ki surok hakani ka banta Hakani ke jelang lai don langru MLA ubalong ru unong aibot jong menteri rangba ka jela Thomas Esangma government chief whip Marcus and Marak DC bat kiwedi ki officer sarkar.
So we have come here to Dalmagri village, and this is the proposed site for the National Games 2022. And we have come along with everybody to really, number one, to inspect the location, to see the logistics out here, and to get a first-hand experience and feel of the entire place. We are very happy. We met the villagers, and the villagers have reiterated that they are happy to give the land for the Games Village, and they have asked the government, of course, for some development aspect, and the villagers are ready to give the land free of cost. But as I said, there were certain conditions that have been put in place, like mostly development oriented, which I think is very fair, and the government will definitely do the needful in that line. And the land is also a decent size, where we will be able to put up the financial package permits, then even an outdoor stadium, so that we can have other activities also here in the long run as part of the legacy plan. So that was the main purpose of visiting today, and we are very satisfied and happy, and I think the work should start ASAP, especially the road aspect. And as I was mentioning earlier, that we will be visiting Delhi to meet the Honorable Prime Minister, and now we will be confidently able to put across all the proposals and all the reports to him, so that we can get a positive response from Government of India for the funding of the National Games. And I think it is very important for any government to be able to be in touch with the grassroots and then make the right decisions. So therefore the opposition might say whatever they want to say, and maybe they're making an excuse because they didn't do it in the past, but we are very firm on our decision, and this will continue in other districts also, and this will be followed by the next, whenever after 3-4 cabinets in Shillong, maybe the 5th cabinet or 6th cabinet after that, we're hoping that we'll be going to Jowai in the next. So that's the way it will move, and then after that we will move to South Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills or West Khasi Hills, and other districts also. So that's how it will be, and as I said, we are very firm on it, and we of the belief that this is a very positive step that the government has taken.